guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this eyeliner, wing, mascara, lash thing tutorial. It's cute, right? Kind of, I like it. It's how I do my little inner corner, how I do my wing, top tips on how to do eyeliner because I've struggled over the years, as has everyone. I think it takes a lot of time to learn what eyeliner shape sort of suits your eye. So yeah, I'm not saying I'm perfect at eyeliner either because let's be honest, I'm probably not. But yeah, this is just what I do. So if you want to know what I do, that's today's video, so keep on watching. Yeah, also, I just want to say I'm really sorry about how the uploads have been a bit slow recently. I mentioned it about 100 times in this video and you guys are probably gonna get mad at me, but it's my birthday on Saturday and I'm doing a massive thing for it, so I've been so busy organizing it because today is actually Thursday when I'm filming this, so it's in 2 days. It's my 18th, guys. Get excited. Also, after my 18th, there's gonna be a lot more vlog videos, a lot more like sesh videos if you guys want those, so let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure that's it. If you want to follow me on my Instagram or any of my other social medias, they are in the description box. Subscribe, like, and comment and share this video with all your friends. This is gonna be the last video that you see of me as a child. My next video I'll be a legal adult, which is scary. But yeah, subscribe and I will see you in my next video. But you will see me in another 30 seconds because this is the intro and I have a whole video coming. But bye. Enjoy the video. Yeah, so as I said in the intro, I'm just gonna really quickly show you guys how I do my eyeliner. I've got my foundation, concealer, basically everything other than that's such bulk. Got my base and my eyeshadow on. There we go, clever. Basically, I wanted something kind of quick to film and you guys have actually been asking me for this for so long because I do this thing with my inner corner liner and I have quite hooded eyes, as you guys can probably tell. So it's like wing liner, hooded eyes, how to make your eyes look bigger, how to like elongate them, that kind of vibe. Yeah, it's my birthday on Saturday, so I know the uploads haven't been good, but the birthday vlog will be worth it, I promise me. Promise me, promise you. You can tell I'm a bit rusty, can't you? But yeah, let's just start. So I normally use liquid liner. This is my favorite one. This is the Kat Von D one, and then I also use pencil liner. This is the L'Oreal one. Pencil liners you can just get from any drugstore. I don't think it's that deep. And then this one is just my favorite. I find it the easiest to use. I've been using it for years and years. Also, I might mess it up because I normally do it in a huge mirror, and right now I've only got my Marc Jacobs bronzer mirror. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hi, nice, close and personal. So I just do little lines, not one big line, and I just sort of press it on along my lash line. Okay, and then what I do is I actually go a little bit further out because my eyes are quite short, and I just draw on like that. And then I just connect it up. I keep my eyes open. Keep your eyes open and don't really pull on it because then when it goes back, it's not gonna look the same. I tend to just do it like this. I also lick it, which is really unhygienic, but I only... Shut the f up, TikTok. I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, I lick it, which is so unhygienic. I only use it on myself, so... See, I told you I was gonna... See, I knew I was gonna mess this up. I can't do wing liner on camera. That's why I've never done this video before. Right, let's try and clean it up. I'm just gonna get my concealer. So this is just my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm actually gonna go, this is quite a thick brush, so maybe get a thinner one. Now I'm gonna go back in with the eyeliner. Okay, that's not awful, right? I mean, I know you can see the white line, but I'll fix that, like, just with some powder and stuff. I mean, yeah, there's like a little kink in it because just that's how my eye shape is. They're really hooded. But I'm gonna go in the inner corner now, and this is what you guys have all been asking me about. So, yay, here it is. I basically just extend this part. Shit, okay.
I have an eye booger.
I basically just extend it in a corner like that, and then I connect it again. And you don't want it to come too low. You kind of want to make sure it stays up because otherwise it drags your eyes down a little bit. So I'm just going to clean it up the tiniest bit. Rather than extending it down, you want to just extend it out kind of. And then I also always take a pencil liner in my tight line. I'm going to go do this eye and finish the rest of my face off of camera. And then I'm going to do my lower lash line and show you what I do with eyeliner for that. I just do my makeup in a weird order. So back in a minute. Yeah, so I'm back. I've done my eyeliner and mascara and like bronzer, whatever, you guys can tell. But I thought I would also show you guys another thing that I do. I mentioned this in one of my old videos, but basically what I do is I actually cut up half a lash. It's more like a quarter or a third, to be honest. I'll show you guys the size of it. So this is the size of the eyelash that I use. It's a bit grimy because I've used this one a couple of times. Just can't be bothered to cut a new one. And I stick those on the outer corner to make my eye look more winged out and elongated. You can do this even if you don't have hooded eyes or whatever. I think it's just a good trick to have. I don't like putting full lashes on anymore. I just don't like the way it looks that much. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, but when you do this, make sure that you're wearing some kind of eyeliner because otherwise you'll be able to see where you're wearing lashes and where you're not wearing lashes. I mean, you still can kind of see, but it's easier to blend it in than if you weren't wearing any eyeliner at all. Oh my god, this eyelash glue, I need to get a new one. This is the House of Lashes lash glue, and I'm just gonna put this on the lash. I got it on my nail. I never use tweezers, but because I just got these nails put on, I'm gonna have to, so. that on. I literally just realized my mirror was completely over my face, so that's fun. But this is with the lash and that's without a lash. And if you want to like blend it a little bit more, you can take like little lashes and put them between where the fake lash and your natural lashes are, but I'm a bit lazy. I'm using the House of Lashes lash glue, which dries really quickly, but if you're using duo or something, you got to make sure that it's a little bit tacky before you try and stick on lashes. I could never ever do lashes with tweezers. Like, I find it so much harder. Like, they always just stick to the tweezer. Is that just me being dumb, or does that happen to anyone else? When I have nails on, putting on lashes is actually a struggle. I'm gonna wait for that to dry. I think this one's probably dry, and I'm just gonna go over it with a little bit of this Maybelline eyeliner because it's super black. Okay, I'm now gonna go in with this. This is the L'Oreal eyeliner, the super liner. I'm gonna put it into my waterline. And I also put it in the inner corner, but not the middle. Sometimes I put it in the middle. It depends how I'm feeling. The reason I'm using this one and not the Maybelline one is because this one's really black, but not as black as the Maybelline one. Like, the Maybelline one is legit something else. I don't like how dark it is. Like, I like dark eyeliner, but not that dark. You know what I mean? I'm just running a little warm tone shade under my eye, and then I'm actually going to take the L'Oreal eyeliner again, and I'm going to take it underneath so it sort of connects up with the wing. This is like the best thing to do, is take your eyeliner underneath. I'm going to take a dark eyeshadow shade. I'm going to take this one called Chocolate, and maybe mix a tiny bit of the black at the bottom. Tappy tappy. Oh, I almost put a lid on my brush. How dumb am I? Done. That's my eyeliner tutorial. Eyeliner tutorial complete. Let me just do my mascara and do my lipstick. I'm probably going to stay in this jumper. I don't know what I was going to say. I'm going to get changed. Let's be honest. I'm not. But I will see you guys in a couple minutes to do the outro and intro. Yay. Oh geez, I forgot how zoomed in I was. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. Here is my eyeliner, my wing, my lashes. Cute, right? You guys have been asking for this video. I hope it helped. I'm gonna summarize my top tips. Eyeliner, do little lines. Don't do one big line. It's not gonna look cute. Secondly, take it little and then build it up. Yeah, they're never gonna be exactly even, so watch how thick you try and make it to try and make it even, if that makes sense. Don't pull your eye like that when you do it, because I know a lot of people do that, but then when you drop it, it's gonna look completely different. Yeah, and keep your eye open when you do the wing, because otherwise if it's closed whilst you're drawing it on, then when you open your eye it's also going to look different. Those are my top tips. I hope they help. My lash trick is really easy. I just prefer it than a full lash, but that's me personally. I know a lot of you guys probably won't like it, but yay. Other than that, subscribe, like, comment, share this video with all your friends. Please stay tuned because I'm so excited for Saturday. It's my birthday. It's my 18th, and yeah, I'm gonna do a vlog, and it's gonna be basically like my first ever vlog properly. I've never really done like a day in the life or anything, so it's gonna be my first ever proper vlog, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. It should be good. I'm so excited, so stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Love you. Mwah.